Hey gang, I want to give you a bit of a review today on this Bruntmor beautifully enameled cast iron skillet. This is their 5-quart skillet. Me and my family, we were looking for a brand new, larger format cast iron skillet for us to do things like stir fry on, and we've picked this up and absolutely have fallen in love with this. As you can see, it's big, it's beautiful. The outside has an enamel on it to keep it looking good. And the inside is your typical cast iron skillet. It does come pre-seasoned, but we wanted to do our first seasoning with this with a high-fat food, so we actually chose bacon. We do love that it heats very evenly inside. There doesn't seem to be any hot spots on this. Heats very evenly. It's naturally non-stick because of the cast iron nature of it and it being seasoned. And it just cooks so well, feels so well. We absolutely love it. Now, the one thing you do need to be aware of, this is cast iron, and so there are a lot of care instructions that you have to pay attention to. This isn't something that you're going to toss blithely into a dishwasher to get it clean. You are going to have to hand wash it and hand dry it in order to take care of it. But if this is a type of cookware that you are looking for, I don't think you can go wrong with the Bruntmor enameled cast iron skillet. Give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Give it a try.